and welcome to our channel IFCG, where we make learning fun and easy. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for more enriching content. Today, we are focusing on gleaming. Now, gleaming is a word that evokes images of brightness, radiance, and brilliance. When something is gleaming, it's shining brightly, often with a polished or reflective surface. Now, let's explore some synonyms for gleaming. First, shining. Second, glittering. Third, sparkling. Fourth, radiant. And fifth, glistening. Want to improve your everyday conversation skills with the word gleaming? Take a look at these sentences that will give you some practice. Number 1. Your earrings are gleaming. Where did you get them? Number 2. Your smile makes your eyes gleam with joy. Number 3. Did you see the sun gleaming off the water at the beach? Number 4. The floors look amazing, gleaming after you've mopped them. Number 5. The baker's pastries were gleaming in the display case, tempting everyone. And now, let's explore a famous idiom related to gleaming. All that glitters is not gold. This idiom reminds us that appearances can be deceiving and that something that looks valuable or attractive on the surface may not necessarily be so. And that's a wrap for today's word, gleaming. Don't miss out on subscribing to our channel for more exciting words. Thank you for joining us and keep up the good work in your learning journey. Bye-bye.